Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to pin videos on TikTok. If you're using TikTok and you want to pin videos in your TikTok profiles, let's see how can you do that. Very first, I recommend you have to make an update in your TikTok app because it's the latest feature, so you are unable to use that without updating your TikTok app. So open your App Store or Play Store, search for TikTok, and you just have to make sure that you have any pending updates for your TikTok app. If you find any pending updates here, you have to try to update your app. So after updating, you have to go back from here, open your TikTok app. Here, just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and you just have to select the video which you want to pin. So let's say I'm going to pin this video, just keep a long press on it, and you will get the pin to top option. Or you can also do this by going open the video. So open the video here, just tap on three dots, and you just have to look for pin option. Tap on pin option here and your video will be pinned on top. So in this way you can easily pin any video on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.